Most YouTubers add the affiliate links to the YouTube video description. But do you know there are more effective ways to put affiliate links on YouTube videos? The first method is to add a clickable affiliate link to your YouTube video. Yes, it's possible. The way to do this is via YouTube cards. To add a link to your YouTube card, you need to have your website associated with your channel. Next, you need to get the affiliate link and make a redirect URL using your website. I use Pretty Links, which is a plugin for my WordPress blog. For example, I created a video previously on how to make money on YouTube without uploading videos. I showed how to find expired domains that are mentioned in the YouTube video description that still get traffic and how to make money from those domains. The software I used to find those domains was Video Traffic Genie. As a result, I created an affiliate link which was promoteYouTubeVideos.com/VideoTrafficGenie. So you see my website followed by the name of the product. I created this link via Pretty Links. So when someone clicks on this link, it takes to the sales page of Video Traffic Genie. In a previous video, I covered the best affiliate programs for YouTubers. Watch that video if you missed it. With these affiliate programs, you can find related products and get affiliate links. It could be related to the genre that your YouTube videos are created. The next way to put affiliate links on YouTube is to include the affiliate link as a readable URL. You can do this as part of editing the video. The conversion rate will be higher if you also say the URL while showing it on the video. The third way to add affiliate links on YouTube is to add the URL as a pinned comment. You can give a short text followed by the affiliate link. Add a few emojis so that the comment stands out. The most popular way to include affiliate links on YouTube videos is the video description. To get higher conversions, include the affiliate link with a few words so that viewers don't have to click show more. When you include affiliate links, it is important that you add the affiliate disclosure and follow YouTube policies on affiliate links. Having such disclosure also builds trust with your viewers.